If you've got a Google Sheets document with emails in one sheet and a load of data in another, and you need to find the matching ones and pull the full rows across, I'm going to show you how to do it with one formula. Dead simple. Let's go. Here's the formula. Go to sheet number 3 or create a new blank sheet. Click on cell A1 and paste this in. Now, I know that looks like a lot, so let me break down what each part does. The COUNTIF part is the engine. It goes through every email in the data sheet and checks, does this email also appear in sheet 1? If it finds a match, it returns a 1. If it doesn't, it returns a 0. So you end up with a list of 1s and 0s, and that tells the next part of the formula which rows to keep and which to ignore. The filter part uses those 1s and 0s from COUNTIF to decide which rows to show. Any row where COUNTIF returned a 1, meaning the email matched, gets pulled through with all its columns, names, phone numbers, addresses, everything. Any row where COUNTIF returned a 0 gets filtered out, gone. You only see the people you're looking for. And finally, VSTACK takes the header row from the data sheet, your column name like email, name, and phone, and stacks it on top of the filtered results. So what you end up with on sheet 3 is a clean, properly labelled table with just the people whose emails matched. Ready to use, ready to copy, ready to share. So to recap the steps, step 1, open sheet 3 or create a new blank sheet. Step 2, click on cell A1. Step 3, paste the formula. I've put it in the description so you can just copy it. Step 4, press enter and that's it. Your matching rows will appear instantly. Just make sure you adjust the sheet names and column references to match your own spreadsheet. And you're done. The full formula is in the description below so you can copy and paste it straight into your own sheet. If this helped, drop a comment here and let me know.